Number 1. BSA 650 Hornet Lightning Spitfire, $8,950, Woodside, California. This 1966 BSA 650 Hornet Lightning Spitfire represents a rare West Coast desert sled configuration, featuring the long strut, high front fender mount. California titled and plated. This matching numbers example underwent a ground-up restoration 8 years ago by its second owner and has since been part of a private collection, started and heat-cycled regularly. Powered by the A65H engine with dual Amal 930 carburetors and electronic coil ignition, it retains straight pipes as originally equipped. The original fiberglass tank has been professionally sealed. Correct decals, shocks, and metalwork remain in place, along with original rims and Dunlop Trial Supreme tires, presenting in collector-grade condition. This non-negotiable $8,950 example stands out as a clean and highly desirable BSA competition air machine. Number 2. Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $8,600, El Cajon, California. This 1981 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead shows 19,294 original miles and is described as being in like-new condition. Finished as a classic touring model, includes the original tour pack and batwing fairing, preserving its authentic long-distance character. An SNS Super E carburetor has been fitted for improved performance and throttle response. With a clear California title in hand and strong mileage for its age, this shovelhead represents one of the final years of the iconic engine platform. Priced at $8,600 in El Cajon, California, it offers solid value for collectors seeking a well-preserved AMF-era touring Harley with desirable upgrades. Number 3. 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E, $3,750, Carmel, Indiana. This 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E is described as a well-maintained running classic with current registration and title. The oil pump was replaced after a past issue, and the engine has been inspected by a Triumph specialist, who reported it to be in good condition, aside from a minor top-end rattle. The bike does require some attention, including a leaking rear brake line, but it is positioned as a manageable project rather than a full restoration. As a late 1970s 750 cubic centimeters Bonneville, the T140E represents the final era of traditional British. Number 4. 1979 Honda CX500 Custom, $1,550, Ackworth, Georgia. This all-original 1979 Honda CX500 Custom has been owned by the same individual for approximately 25 years and shows 43,200 miles. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, the CX500 is known for durability and distinctive engineering. The bike has been garage-kept, recently started, and maintained over the years with restoration work, including replacement parts and powder-coated components to prevent corrosion. Described as being in very good vintage condition and sold with a clear title. This example is priced at $1,550, positioning it as one of the more affordable running classic motorcycles. Number 5. 1974 Norton 850 Commando, $4,500, Warsaw, Indiana. This 1974 Norton 850 Commando is described as being in running and riding condition, typically starting within the first or second kick. It features low mileage and comes with a title. The 850 Commando is widely recognized for its ice-elastic frame design and strong British twin performance during the 1970s. As one of Norton's most iconic models, it remains highly collectible among enthusiasts of classic British motorcycles. At $4,500, this example appears competitively priced for a running 850 Commando with documented ownership. Number 6. 1980 Suzuki GS750, $3,000, Florence, Kentucky. This 1980 Suzuki GS750 is powered by the TSCC engine, known for strong performance in Suzuki's late 1970s lineup. The seller states the bike was fully restored about 5 years ago and has been stored indoors since. It currently needs a battery charge or replacement and a clutch installation. though a brand new Barnett clutch kit is included in the sale. Finished in blue and located in Florence, Kentucky, this GS750 appears to be a mostly complete classic standard with light recommissioning needs. At $3,000, it offers solid value for a restored 4-cylinder Japanese motorcycle from the era. Number 7. 1985 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 6th for $1,500, Chicago, Illinois. This 1985 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 6th shows 32,213 miles and is finished in white. The seller reports it underwent a mechanical revision in April 2025 and states that everything is functioning properly. Recent updates include a new front tire, fluid changes in 2024, and documentation and spare parts included in the sale. The rear tire still has usable life, and the bike is described as ready to ride with a clean title. As one of Number 8. 1986 Kawasaki 454 LTD, $2,500, Hobart, Indiana. This 1986 Kawasaki 454 LTD shows just 1,856 miles and is described as all original in excellent condition. Finished in black, the bike reportedly starts easily, runs well, and is ready for registration. The 454 LTD features a liquid-cooled parallel twin engine adapted from Kawasaki's sport platform, giving it more performance than many mid-1980s cruisers. With very low mileage and a clean title ready to transfer, this example stands out as a preserved lightweight. Number 9. 1978 Vespa Piaggio PX150, $1,300, Lexington, Kentucky. This 1978 Vespa PX150 has been rebuilt with numerous new components, including the seat, speedometer, shocks, carburetor, and performance exhaust. The 150 cubic centimeters engine reportedly has less than 30 miles since rebuild, and the tires have under 1,000 miles. It runs well, but may need minor carburetor adjustment. Cosmetic imperfections include paint chips and scratches, along with small trim and latch issues. The primary consideration is that it comes with a bill of sale only and no title. At number 10. 1978 Yamaha 750 Triple, $2,500, Evansville, Indiana. This 1978 Yamaha 750 Triple shows approximately 17,000 miles and is described as being in good condition for its year. The seller has replaced the clutch, brake pads, tires, spark plugs, and wires, along with performing fluid changes. The bike is noted to require proper warm-up before riding smoothly, which can be typical for vintage multi-cylinder setups. Yamaha's late 1970s triples are known for distinctive engine character and smooth highway performance. At 2000, number 11. The 1964 BSA Thunderbolt 650, priced at $3,695 in Daytona Beach, Florida, reflects an earlier generation of BSA's single-carb 650 twin lineup. Known for strong torque and straightforward maintenance, this black example shows 15,500 miles and is described as original, running great, and starting on the first kick. New components are limited to normal wear items such as tires, tubes, rim strips, battery, and cables. After reportedly spending around 30 years in a collection, the bike has been ridden regularly and is now ready for its next caretaker. Offered at $3,695 cash in person, it represents a solid rider-quality British twin in the current U.S. classic market. Number 12. The 1972 Honda CB 504, priced at $3,000 in Corinth, Mississippi, represents the golden era of early Japanese inline-four engineering, delivering smooth power and everyday reliability in a classic mid-size package. This red example shows 15,000 miles and comes with a clean title. Recent maintenance includes all 4 carburetors rebuilt, a new chain, a new battery, fresh oil, and new fuel lines, key service items that make it ready for regular riding. The seller also includes 2 helmets and a box of original factory components, including handlebars, gauges, and a front fender, adding value for collectors who appreciate originality. At $3,000, This CB 504 sits squarely in the sweet spot of the U.S. classic market as a clean, well-sorted vintage Honda that runs and shifts great. Number 13. The BSA Gold Star Racing Vintage, offered at $9,500 in St. Petersburg, Florida, stands as one of the most legendary British performance singles ever built, taken to an even higher level in this racing-focused example. Built for speed, this machine reportedly won first place in 2012 and placed second the following year. The Gold Star engine alone is said to have over $15,000 invested and is paired with a B31 frame and an RRT gearbox. It achieved 115 miles per hour in the flying mile at Bonneville before a magneto issue, ended a record attempt, and now runs a functioning Lucas Racing magneto. It requires a roller start and carries a clear title. At $9,500, this is not just a motorcycle. It is a purpose-built vintage race machine with documented performance pedigree in American competition history. Number 14. 1974 Jawa CZ 175, $1,000. Location, Owatonna, Minnesota. This 1974 Jawa CZ 175 is described as a rare small displacement European two-stroke finished in brown. The engine rolls over with strong compression and shifts through all gears, though the oil lines have deteriorated from age and will need replacement before regular use. The inside of the tank reportedly looks good, and the seller notes it should be relatively straightforward to bring back to running condition. It is being sold with a bill of sale only, though assistance with paperwork is mentioned. At $1,000, this listing is clearly positioned as an affordable restoration or revival project for collectors of Eastern European classics. Number 15. 1980 Yamaha XS650 Spirit 2, $975. Location, Kankakee, Illinois. This 1980 Yamaha XS650 Spirit 2 is offered at $975 with a clean title and is described as running and riding. Major electrical components, including the headlight, taillight, brake light, horn, and gauges, are functioning. However, the turn signals currently do not work and may require switch attention. The front brake is reported as good, the rear brake is nearing replacement, and the front tire shows weathering, while the rear tire remains in better condition. The XS650 is one of Yamaha's most popular vintage twins, known for durability and strong aftermarket support. At under $1,000, this example represents a budget-friendly entry into classic 650 ownership, with room for minor mechanical updates. That's today's lineup of real classic motorcycle listings across the United States. If you enjoy these market updates, make sure to like and subscribe to AZ Timeless Motorcycles. We bring you fresh classic motorcycles for sale every single day.